What's up guys, welcome to Products Room. In this video, we're diving into the world of countertop ovens. These versatile appliances can save you time and energy while delivering delicious results. We've rounded up the top 5 best countertop ovens that offer everything from air frying to rotisserie cooking. So be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. And hey, we want to hear from you too. If you have any favorite countertop oven, be sure to let us know in the comments below. We love discovering new products and hearing about your experiences. Now, let's get started. If you need a spacious oven, the Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro is perfect for you. It boasts an interior capacity of 1.18 cubic feet, making it slightly larger than most ovens on this list. Its standout feature is the 4 rack slots, allowing you to adjust the racks to fit more items. Imagine cooking a 5-pound chicken on the bottom while roasting veggies on top. This sizable appliance measures 13.34 inches tall by 20.22 inches wide by 17.1 inches deep. With 10 cooking functions like air fry, whole roast, air roast, bake, dehydrate, pizza, broil, toast, bagel, and reheat, it's incredibly versatile. Plus, it comes with 2 sheet pans, 2 wire racks, an air fry basket, a roast tray, and a crumb tray. The True Surround convection feature offers up to 10 times the convection power of a traditional full-size oven, ensuring faster, crispier, and juicier results. With a 90-second oven preheat time and cooking speeds up to 30% faster, you'll save precious time in the kitchen. The digital display handle illuminates optimal oven rack positions based on your selected function, preventing any accidental changes when the door is open. Customers rave about the Ninja Foodi's quality, size, and value. They appreciate how it saves money and makes delicious jerky. However, opinions are mixed on temperature control and ease of cleaning. Overall, this oven is a fantastic choice for large families or anyone who loves to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. Next, we have the Countertop Air Fryer Toaster Oven, a countertop powerhouse that includes a rotisserie feature. This oven handles a whole chicken, a 13 inches pizza, or 6 slices of toast with ease, thanks to its 1 cubic foot capacity. It offers 12 cooking functions, such as toast, bagel, pizza, bake, roast, air fry, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, and ferment. It also includes a wire rack, crumb tray, food tray, air fry basket, and rotisserie fork set and handle. One of its most convenient features is the interior light that switches on with 1 minute left of cooking time. The convection function ensures fast and even cooking, perfect for crispy results, especially with a rotisserie chicken. You can also enjoy air-fried food with up to 85% less oil than traditional deep-fried foods, making it a healthier option. Customers love the versatility and performance of the Countertop oven, praising its air frying capabilities and the myriad of functions. However, opinions vary on its size, cleanliness, heat, and speed. Despite these mixed reviews, the Countertop Air Fryer Toaster Oven remains a favorite for its multifunctional use and convenience. For those on a budget, the Black & Decker Crisp & Bake Air Fry 4-Slice Toaster Oven is a great choice. This affordable model offers many features and cooking power that rival higher-end models. Weighing just over 8 pounds, it's compact and lightweight, making it easy to move in and out of storage. However, its lightweight construction means it can get hot on the outside during cooking. Despite its small size, it fits a 9 inches pizza, 4 slices of bread, or various other snacks and meals. It has 5 cooking functions: warm, bake, toast, broil, and air fry. The performance is surprisingly good, with even toasting, well-cooked frozen food, and adequately cooked chicken legs using the air fry function. Customers appreciate the appearance and performance of this oven, noting that it looks good and works well. Overall, it's a fantastic budget option for those with smaller kitchens or limited space. If you're looking to splurge, the Brava Countertop Oven is worth considering. Priced over $1,000, this high-end appliance offers convenience and precision. The Brava cooks using light, with 6 high-powered halogen lamps heating to 500 degrees in less than a second. You can cook 2 different dishes at different temperatures simultaneously, thanks to its 3 customizable zones. The custom cook function allows you to create your own cooking presets, and the Brava app lets you share recipes and download custom meal programs. The oven's rapid preheat time and cooking speeds are 2 to 4 times faster than traditional ovens, delivering crispier and juicier results. The Brava also supports up to 7,000 customizable cooking programs and includes a digital display for easy recipe customization. Customers love the Brava for its cooking capabilities, saying it makes amazing steaks and perfectly cooked meats. They also appreciate the easy-to-follow recipes and cooking programs, as well as the ease of cleaning. Although it's a significant investment, the Brava Countertop Oven offers unmatched convenience and versatility for those willing to pay the price. Finally, our top pick is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This versatile countertop oven offers 13 cooking functions, including toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, proof, air fry, reheat, cookies, slow cook, and dehydrate. Its Element IQ system uses temperature sensors and 6 independent heating elements to steer cooking power where it's needed, ensuring crispy, evenly cooked results. With a capacity of 1 cubic foot, it can roast a 14-pound turkey, toast 9 pieces of bread, and fit most 9 inches by 13 inches baking pans. The super convection setting reduces cooking time by up to 30%. The oven includes 2 oven racks, a pizza pan, a broil rack, an enamel roasting pan, and a mesh basket rack. Customers praise the Breville Smart Oven for its quality, performance, ease of use, and size. They appreciate its high-quality build and the convenience it offers for meal prepping. However, opinions are mixed on ease of cleaning. Overall, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is the best overall choice for its versatility and advanced features. So, there you have it, our top 5 best countertop ovens. Whether you need a budget-friendly option, a high-capacity oven, or a multifunctional appliance, there's something here for everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more products review. Until next time, happy cooking!